Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathematical Guruji. Today we are in this long video. Today we are going to discuss about the ML Agarwal grade 10 book chapter 18 for 1 number sum. So basically previous all the sums we basically here we are solving the trigonometry chapter at first. So already we have done 3 sums there. So go and see the sums. If there is any problem, any doubt, just ask me in the comment. I'll solve the problem. So today we are going to discuss the this one sum, that is chapter 18 for 1 number sum. So basically students, for this sum we have to recall the already I have discussed in my shorts videos, but again I am just recalling that topic, that our complementary angle properties. Okay students, so basically what was the property? The property was that sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta, and the vice versa is also true. Cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. This is one property. Again same thing for this our cosec and sec also. That means cosec 90 degree minus theta is our sec theta, and sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to our cosec theta. Again these properties you have to remember to do these sums. Okay, 4 number all sums we are going to use this property only. And another thing is there, that is our tan theta, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Again same thing for cot theta also, cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to our tan theta. To do this one sum we have to remember all these properties. Okay, these are very much important to do this one sum. So students, now just already one elaborate explanation is there in my video, short video. Go and see there. All the formulas, identities, all the concept is there of trigonometry. After that only we are going to solve this sum. So these properties are very much important. Okay students, so now we are going to start the sum. So students, here cos square 26 degree is there, cos 64 degrees is there, sin 26 degree is there, and this is the tan part. So students, if I'll do the sum at first for cos and sine, you see one thing, how can I recognize that it will be that our that one value, that means our complementary angle sum. How we are going to understand? At first we are going to add these two angles. If we add these two angles, you see students, we are getting 90 degree. That means there is a chance to use that formula. Since already cos square 26 degree is there, we are not going to we are not going to we are not going to touch it. Okay, we are going to start with this portion. So how to do, students? See, this is our cos square 26 degree plus I am going to, since a cos square means obviously if there will be one sine square, then the answer will be 1. Already we know that according to the identity of trigonometry, if cos square theta plus sine square theta is there, it will be always 1. So I am changing the sum in 26 degrees. Since it is there, already 26 degree is there, so I am going to start the sum with our 26 degree. So basically here sine 26 degree already is there. I'm going to change this cos 64 degree. As a student, since 64 plus 26 is obviously 90, so can I write this one like this? According to our, just I am writing here according to the sum only. Now see students, 64 degree I am going to write 90 degree minus 26 degree, and here whatever the values are there we can write. As one by one we are going to do. So again we have to change we have to change these two. See students, 54 degree and 36 degree, but their sum is 90 degree. So either we are going to change this one or we are going to change this one. Okay, it will be cancelled anyway. So I'm keeping the tan here, since see these angles values and these angles values are not related, so that is a separate part and this one is a separate part. So here tan 36 degree is there and I am writing cot this one, since 36 and 54 is obviously 90, so I am going to write down the cot part like this way. Okay, so that we can recognize the formula very easily. After getting used to with these sums, you can do it very easily. Okay, without thinking about, without this one step also you can write down the sum then. See students, so basic thing is that which angles we are adding and which angles are which angle sum is coming 90 degree, that is very much important, that we have to see here. So students, now cos square 26 degree is there. Now cos 90 degree minus theta means basically sin theta. Just now I have told you that cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta, and here in the place of theta 26 degree is there, so into again sin 26 degree is there, and here if we are going to change this one, you see students, tan 36 degree is there and cot 90 minus theta is equal to obviously tan theta, and in the place of theta here it is 36 degree, so these two will be cancelled. Now students, this is cos square 26 degree, and basically students, cos square 26 degree we got sin 26 and sin 26, both are making sin square 26 degree. So sin square 26 degree you see students, and this one is obviously 1, tan 36 and tan 36 if you will cancel it, it is coming 1. So sin square 26 degree plus cos square 26 degree, sin square theta plus cos square theta, basically it is also 1, so 1 plus 1 2 is the answer. So this is the complete sum. You see students, basically here we are going to use this 90 degree minus theta format. So if you you have not seen my video yet, or in the short video already it is discussed with you, okay, and step by step here I am discussing the sums also. So see, this is the complete sum. I hope you understand this one sum. If any difficulties are there, any problem is there, comment in the comment section, you can tell me, I'll solve it obviously. Okay, thank you everyone.